Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your default PDF viewer in this Windows 11. Right, so without further delay, let's get started. Now I have this my PDF file here. Anytime that I open it, it opens direct with Microsoft Edge, and as you can see, it opens with Microsoft Edge. So anytime I just open it, it opens with Microsoft Edge. And I want to change it as said because Microsoft Edge is set as the default opener with PDF files, and I don't need this to be happening. I'm having Adobe Acrobat on my PC, so I want to be using that to be opening my PDF files. Now to do that, it's very easy and simple to do. Just right click on the file and go to show more option, and then click on properties. Right, once you click on properties, now as you can see, this is the file type. So it says Microsoft Edge PDF document, right, into brackets, which is the file extension, which is PDF. Now you can see that it says that open with, and then it is highlighted Microsoft Edge, but I don't need Microsoft Edge. So let's click on here to change it. So click on this. Right, so as you can see, I have, as I told you, I have my Acrobat reader here. So I just click on it, and then you can see we have set as default, so click on that. Right, so it's now, and then you just apply and then okay. So now if I open the PDF file, it will now open with my Adobe Acrobat reader. Right, so and as you can see, because it's the first time of opening it, I just have to accept. So accept, just read through the lines and agreements, and then I accept. Right, so you can see my PDF file is now open with it. Now there are two ways of doing this, but another way is just right click on the file, just go to open with, you choose another app, and then you select the whatever the session that you want to select. So let's assume that I want to use the Microsoft Edge once again, so I just click on it, then just click on always. Right, so it changes with Microsoft Office Edge. So if I open the file once again now, you can see that it's now open with Microsoft Edge. But as I said, I just want to change it with my Adobe Reader. So just click on this and then always. Right, so and as you can see, the file image has changed to the Adobe Acrobat. So that is just how simple and easy it is to change your PDF default viewer in Windows 11. If this video was helpful in any way, kindly like and subscribe, and we'll see you on our next one.